Hmm.
Sizzling hot butter.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you licked the whole stinking fork?
The entire thing I was rubbing in number 8 pan.
A number 8 pan. What's that?
It was on number 8.
Oh, you meant the size of the pan.
I'm smearing around the butter and it's like, psst, and all the time.
Let me see it.
Uh-huh.
Is it marked?
Oh.
You didn't look?
It hurts to eat anything hot. I don't find it funny.
Oh, really? I've never heard you talk like that. I thought you were faking, actually.
Oh.
Did it sting?
Oh, it's hot. I can't feel my tongue.
You can't feel your tongue? Can you taste the food then?
No. Yeah, I have. I'm leaving.
Cool, I got enough video on that one.